Title: Bridging the Technology Skills Gap in Canada, an in-depth analysis in the way forward. In Canada, the burgeoning technology sector faces a significant challenge that threatens its future growth and prosperity: the technology skills gap. Despite Canada's vibrant economy and well-educated workforce, a disconnect persists between the skill sets available in the labor market and those demanded by employers in the technology industry. This technology skills gap remains an ongoing and escalating issue, deeply impacting businesses, individuals, and the Canadian economy as a whole. It's no secret that the technology sector is pivotal to Canada's economy. As of now, there are nearly 1 million people employed in the field of information communication technology (ICT) in Canada. By some estimates, this figure was projected to need an influx of 200,000 more IT specialists by 2019 to keep pace with industry demands. Yet, despite the burgeoning demand for ICT professionals, many employers report significant challenges in filling crucial positions. Positions hardest hit by this gap are generally in programming, skilled trades, and engineering. Companies continually express difficulty in recruiting professionals such as information systems analysts, network administrators, computer specialists, web developers, programmers, business analysts, project managers, and technology consultants. As a result, many businesses find themselves operating with critical vacancies, with existing staff overstretched to compensate for the shortfall. This pressure can lead to higher staff turnover, as employees seek out better opportunities or simply burn out from the stress of their workloads. Ultimately, this ongoing scenario can lead to lost revenues and business stagnation. One reason for this gap is an imbalance in post-secondary enrollment. Non-technical subjects far outpace technical ones in terms of student numbers. While there is no shortage of potential workers, a significant number of employment candidates lack the specific skills required by employers. This discrepancy results in a talent pool that, though abundant, is not suitably equipped to meet industry needs. It is not just a mismatch of skills. Geographical imbalances also play a significant role in exacerbating the skills gap. While some regions might have a surplus of skilled labor, others suffer from a shortage. Migrating talent from one region to another can be a logistical challenge and is often not viable, particularly in the short term. Another aspect compounding the problem is the impending retirement of seasoned professionals. As experienced ICT workers reach retirement age, they exit the workforce, leaving a void that isn't easily filled by incoming professionals who lack the necessary skills and experience. Given the breadth of this issue, it's clear that multiple fronts must be tackled to bridge this gap. To address the disparity in the supply of skilled labor, educational institutions must align their programs more closely with the demands of industry. Greater emphasis needs to be placed on STEM education, with targeted initiatives to encourage more students into technical fields. Apprenticeship and co-op programs could provide students with real-world experience, bridging the gap between academic theory and practical application. Employers also have a role to play. By investing in training and continuous learning opportunities for their employees, businesses can develop the talent they need in-house. Moreover, employers must reassess their hiring strategies and consider applicants with unconventional backgrounds or who may be considered non-traditional candidates. Government intervention and public policy can also help mitigate this problem. Incentives can be provided for businesses to train workers in high-demand areas. Policies promoting ICT education, encouraging students to pursue technical degrees, and facilitating collaboration between educational institutions and the industry could be game changers in addressing the skills gap. Moreover, immigration policies could be tailored to attract international talent in the technology sector. By targeting skilled workers in ICT from around the globe, Canada could supplement its domestic talent pool and help bridge the skills gap in the short term. While addressing the technology skills gap in Canada is a complex issue, it's not insurmountable. By leveraging a multifaceted approach that involves schools, businesses, and government, it's entirely possible to bridge this gap. The ultimate goal is an ICT workforce that meets the needs of Canadian businesses, supports economic growth, and offers rewarding opportunities for workers. This shift would not only safeguard Canada's status as a global leader in the technology sector, but also ensure its continued economic prosperity in the increasingly digital global economy. To successfully navigate the future, the industry, government, and educational institutions must work together to close the technology skills gap. The urgency of the situation cannot be overstated. The time to act is now.